The DJI Mini 5 Pro is a powerful and compact drone, praised for its upgraded 1-inch sensor camera with improved low-light performance, professional-level features like a rotating gimbal for vertical video, and a significant increase in internal storage. Key improvements include enhanced obstacle avoidance, faster flight speeds, the addition of a med-tele mode for more versatile shots, and an extended 36-minute flight time. Reviews suggest it's one of the best mini drones available, making it ideal for travel and creators who want professional tools in a smaller package. 1. Large 1-inch CMOS sensor 50 MP stills. The Mini 5 Pro uses a 1-inch sensor rather than the smaller sensors in prior Mini models. Still images up to 50 MP. Improved low-light performance and wider dynamic range. 2. Advanced video capabilities. 4K video up to 60 FPS HDR. Slow motion. 4K at 120 FPS. 10-bit color depth in D-Log and HLG modes. Up to 14 stops of dynamic range. 3. True vertical shooting. A gimbal innovation. The gimbal offers something like a 225 roll rotation, supporting vertical portrait shooting without crop. Med-tele mode, 48mm equivalent zoom, crop to make subjects stand out. 4. Lightweight and portable, under 250 grams class. Weight listed at about 249.9 g, which helps in many jurisdictions for reduced drone regulations. Folded dimensions small, making it easy to carry. 5. Enhanced safety and obstacle sensing. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing, forward, backward, sides, bottom. Includes LiDAR sensor and IR on the bottom for improved detection, especially in low light, darkness. Night scene obstacle detection is explicitly mentioned in review. 6. Good flight performance. Flight time up to around 36 minutes under standard battery. Increased wind resistance approximately 12 meters per second compared to previous models. Transmission system supports DJI 4+, for example 10 kilometers or more range in C version, and strong anti-interference. 7. Internal storage and expanded memory option. Built-in internal storage, for example, 42 gigabytes in some versions, plus micro slot for expansion. 8. Intelligent modes and creator features. Quick shots, free panorama, etc. Off-state quick transfer via Wi-Fi 6 and smartphone side. 1. Professional level imaging in a compact form. It features a 1-inch CMOS sensor and produces 50 MP stills, which is a significant upgrade over previous Mini line drones. 4K 60fps HDR video and even 4K 12fps. Slow motion give you high-quality footage. Supports 10-bit color via H265 encoding. And large dynamic range up to approximately 14 stops gives. This means much more flexibility in post-production. Better low light, richer colors. Benefit in practice. You can capture much better aerial photos, videos for professional use, travel, real estate, creative content without needing a large, heavy drone. 2. Portability and regulatory advantage. The Mini in the name means it retains a very compact foldable body design, palm-sized, and is lighter than many Pro drones.